Well, hello. Here's a quick tour of my pre-garden layout for spring. I'm going to change a few things up. In these grow bags, I have used some cocoa coir and some soil and some worm castings. I'm going to reuse this and restart this over. And for grow bags, what I have noticed is that the best things that grow for me in grow bags are the tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, plants like that. And also, I put strawberries in here. They were growing, but I'm going to change this up and not have strawberries in here because strawberries need a place to just go crazy when you plant them on the ground. So I'm going to not use grow bags for this. But like I said, I'm going to reuse all the soil. And a mistake I did too as well, I did not fill this bag up to the top. So now, next time I will know to fill it up more with soil and castings to have a better, successful garden. So that's a learning tip. I used to have a garden bed here, raised garden bed. I took that out. It had cucumbers. I went to the grow bags. I'm going to remove this one as well, this raised garden bed. This one has been removed. And this one here had leaves that I put in last fall during the winter, and they broke down, but I'm going to remove this and start all over. I'm no longer going to use wood because the thing I noticed about wood is that it rots and decays. So I don't want to use wood anymore. I'm going to use more of a galvanized steel contraption and replace this right here because I know that steel will not decompose and decay as much as the wood. So that's why I'm stopped using the wood. Probably this wood here, if it's not treated, I will reuse it with campfires. I will break it down and reuse that and burn it up. And here's a look at one of my composting bins that you have seen. It's getting warm again where I can start to turn it with my composting turner that I have bought. So I just added more leaves in here, but I have been able to turn it. So let me turn it and see what it looks like as of right now. I was able to turn it a little bit. It's still frozen. So, but this will break down real soon. I'm going to turn it once a week to help it break down. Here are two 55-gallon drums that I was able to reuse. And I'm going to put leaves in here. And I could also use this as another compost bin if I want to have a 3-method composting bin going. One that you fill up with your food scraps and your browns. Once it breaks down, you put it over to the next bin. And then you can add it to your third bin, which has the final compost that is broken down. Here's my composting tumbler. I'm going to use this compost tumbler more as a no rules compost. I'm going to put everything in there, meats, no bones, but just meats and stuff and leaves, paper, and use this as a no rules compost. Critters won't be able to get in because it has a lid, and it will break down because I'm going to turn this once a week as well. And then I also have these other trash cans, which I could reuse as my worms, a worm bin. I had worms in my trash can before, and it was successful. So that's another option that I have. And then I also have worm castings that I have to sift that I had from outside. Here's a look at my worm castings that were outside throughout the winter. I'm going to put this in my compost bin. but it's frozen still. And I know worms that were in here did not make it through. But I'm gonna sift and see what made it throughout the winter. But that's about it. That's a quick video of what I'm gonna be doing this year to get my spring garden started. So if you like the video, give this video a like. If you like what you're hearing from me, subscribe to my channel. I just want to take time out to say thank you for watching this, and you have a great day. Bye.